As in the last video, we discussed about why to use Prometheus. In this video, we will discuss how does Prometheus work or how is the architecture of a Prometheus. The main component of a Prometheus architecture is Prometheus server, which is made up of three parts. First is a time series database which stores all the matrix data. Second is a data retrieval worker which pulls those matrix from application or services or from a push gateways and store in the time series database. And the third one is the HTTP server API which accepts queries. Web client or a dashboard like Prometheus UI, Grafana or API client which shows data to administrator in a fancy format request data from a Prometheus server using query language called PromQL. An HTTP server which accepts these queries fetch data from time series database and return output. Now if something crashes or went wrong in the application and visible in the pulled matrix from the services, Prometheus server push alerts to alert manager and alert manager sends alert to administrator in form of SMS or email or incident. And this is all what Prometheus has. As a data retrieval worker, pull matrix from application over HTTP endpoint, so application should expose one endpoint and should have a matrix data, which Prometheus server will pull. So in next class, we will do some hands-on about how to expose matrix endpoint.